Ebusheni, Winter, Dumela, Sabona, Spring. It's September and it's Heritage Month in South Africa. We are the Rainbow Nation because we have so many different, beautiful cultures and people. We have 12 official languages, including sign language. And that's not all. South Africa has 2 oceans, the bush, there's deserts, forests, and everything in between. Which means we have a rich diversity of animals and plants. What's the range of words for that again? Fauna and flora. People all over the world come to see it. Look, Springbok. Let's not forget, we have the Springboks. Springbok is our national animal and also the best rugby team who has won the World Cup 4 times. We love a good time. We love to braai. We love to stay wild. Happy Heritage Month, South Africa, and stay wild.